Let's make some patio stairs that match the curve of our raised patio. Click the Building tab and then select Patio Stairs. Left-click to place your stair points. Right-click to place the last point. If the stairs are facing the opposite direction, just check or uncheck this box. Now, click Edit Points. Select the points you wish to be curved and click Spline. You can also hold the Control key to add more points. For an even more specific curve, you can use the Bezier tool. For tips on adjusting the height, tread, and materials of your stairs, please see our Adding Patio Stairs video. Click Edit Points and take each end point and bring it inward to create a curved end. Now you have curved patio stairs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.